If you're a business leader, you're always thinking big dreams, big plans, and about big potential problems. Yet the biggest problems facing businesses today are the ones you didn't see coming: a global pandemic, social distancing guidelines, or an economic disaster. Leaders across industries had to tackle all these challenges and do it quickly. Retailers developed digital shopping experiences for their customers and implemented contact tracing and other operational processes for employees filling those orders. Schools quickly found a way to support remote learning that was completely dependent on technology. And then they had to develop systems for students to safely return to the classroom. And don't forget about healthcare systems, tasked with setting up thousands of temporary testing sites, treatment centers, and eventually vaccination centers, all of which needed immediate operational support. So how did organizations respond to big problems fast, even without all the necessary resources or staff? They did it by crafting digital workflows tailored to each organization's specific needs. ServiceNow knows workflow. The Now platform can be leveraged to streamline any task or process. It can maximize IT productivity, break down silos to unlock employee productivity, or revolutionize the customer experience with scaled service operations. These workflows can be stood up quickly and with minimal development know-how. Powered by artificial intelligence and smart automation, the Now platform can make the work flow wherever the work is being done. It gives businesses a platform that they can make entirely their own, solving their challenges in the way that works best for them. Whether it's hybrid work integration or project tracking, if you've got a problem, there's a workflow to solve it. Real-time problems aren't always operational. Sometimes they're security-related. New hybrid work environments can consist of many siloed tools and complex solutions requiring complex security workflows. The ServiceNow SecOps solution pulls all those security tools into one cloud-based platform, giving your team the visibility it needs to defend your environments. Whatever workflow platform you decide upon, it must be tailored to fulfill your business's needs, using a trusted partner to help achieve your goals. Find trusted solutions architects who can design your workflow with innovation and growth top of mind, and who can implement the right proprietary tools. Once your platform is built, augment your IT staff with expert oversight to ensure your platform continues to deliver. Working together with a trusted partner frees up your IT staff to tackle more complex challenges and lets your business focus on what's important: your customers, your employees, and your growth. The way we work is becoming more complicated, and so is the way we secure our businesses. But with the right workflow and the right visibility into your platform, your organization can realize its full potential.